Hey, just stuck in a traffic. Let me take this time and share some information and reach out for help. They'll be more specific, reaching out for help. I'm looking for great mechanics all the way around UK, from the Yarmouth up to the Newcastle, Northern Ireland, Liverpool, Manchester area, Carlisle. If you know anyone who is good and who likes to participate in the movement to help people buy a great vehicle, I would love to hear from that person. If you're somehow watching and you notice what I'm talking about here, please share the video, because I'm desperately struggling in some areas with some good mechanics, so we can raise awareness from you if you will sign up on a platform, so you are a local person who will help to assist people around your area, and so people could be safe when buying used cars, so they don't buy a banger, or if there are some issues found, it can be rectified by the seller. It is quite important. It's just what we do in the CarExamer, we're just raising awareness so you can buy safely. We can inspect the vehicle for you, and if you don't have time to look in for your new vehicle, we have car sourcing available, where we can find you the right cars, find you the right leads. At least those leads will be quality leads, and it's worthwhile actually going and checking that particular vehicle out, instead of you keep running around. If you don't know the right questions what to ask, you'll keep wasting your time. We can put a deposit on and hold a car for you, from those quality leads, or we have a slightly more expensive packages where we actually will source it on behalf of you, physically, where the basic inspection is actually included in the price. The budget inspection is included in the price, and if you want to upgrade, you can also obviously upgrade. That's the option where you don't really have to do anything. We'll provide a service until you are on the right car and you would be proceeding to actually purchase it. But the main point of this video is I'm reaching out, if you're watching, I'm reaching out for good mechanics anywhere around UK, London, Cornwall area, Northern Ireland, Liverpool, Newcastle, Boston, Norwich area, Peterborough, Nottingham. If you do know somebody, please share the video, let them know about CarExamer.com. The link to join is CarExamer.com/join-us. If you want to participate in this movement to help people buy a good vehicle, so that people don't buy unnecessary stuff or they shouldn't be buying. Sometimes it hurts, but it's rather hurts before than you actually give your money away. It doesn't matter how much it is, £1,000, £2,000, million, couple of thousands, 100,000, 200,000. For somebody who buys it for 1,000 or 2,000 is still a lot of money. So we are here to make sure to protect you from a hole in a pocket, or something we shouldn't be buying. Or in other hand is, at least you're buying and you know what you're buying, with what faults you're buying and what to expect. That's an alternative if your expectations is not too high, and you are a DIY guy and you can hold a spanner and and then you can actually rectify certain things, and that wouldn't be a problem for you. Or unless you are a car seller and buying a car, you can't be in both places at the same time, you know. So that's why we're here, you know. So we have great people on board who can actually do the job, and they know what they're doing. So thanks for watching, and like I said, if you do know some mechanic, please share the video or let them know about what we're doing to help people buy good vehicles. And we'll see you next time.